what is differentiation or finding derivative? We all find derivative or differentiate a function, but let's try to understand today what exactly is the meaning of differentiation and what we get after differentiating a given function. So before I explain you the meaning of differentiation, so let's assume a function which is y equals to 4x plus 5. So this is the equation of a line of the form y equals to mx plus c, which we clearly know that the gradient of this particular line is 4. Now let's differentiate this function. So when I'll do dy upon dx, I'll get 4. That means when I differentiated this function, I got its gradient. So I got a constant value because the gradient of a line is constant all the time. Now let's assume another function which is y equals to x square, which on graph represents an upward parabola. So when I will differentiate it, I'll get 2x. So we can clearly see that the derivative dependency is coming on x. And we all know that the gradient of this curve is not constant. It's changing at each instant. For example, the gradient of this particular curve at this particular point would be the gradient of this particular tangent. And if I talk about the gradient of this curve at this point, it will be the gradient of this particular tangent. So basically we can say that the derivative is basically a method to find the gradient of a given line or a curve. So basically, since for a line the gradient is constant, so that's why we got a constant value, and for